Hey everyone, Taylor Cacciola here from Namra Consulting Group, and I'm going to show you how to identify the best posting days and times on Instagram. So what you're going to want to do from your business page is go into the top right hand side of your page with the three little bars, and you're going to hit on Insights. Now, the first thing that you're going to see is all of your content overviews, stories, that sort of thing. You're going to see activity, and then you're going to see audience. Audience is what's actually going to tell you, if you scroll down, the best days, hours throughout the day, and days of the week to post. So scroll all the way down past gender and you're gonna see followers, okay? This is gonna tell you when your average user is online, and it's gonna show you those peaks and those trends. So take a look at your insights and you're gonna find out a lot. Sorry for not using the screen. Wasn't as useful as I thought it would be. But either way, hope that helps. Thanks.